Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if Siri is not working on your iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version and now Siri is not working, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device and then tap on general, tap on software update and tap on update now and update your device to the latest version, that is iOS 18.1. so guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to help you to fix this issue for your device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.